Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best nut gun automatic riveting tool reviews. Makita to 4mm C5mm brushless electric rivet gun delivers powerful, efficient, and automatic riveting performance. Designed for use with Makita 18V lithium batteries. It features a durable brushless motor, LED work light, and ergonomic cordless design ideal for metalworking, construction, and industrial assembly with fast and consistent results.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.